Hi there, my name is Kelly Callaghan. I'm the creator of Obsidian Sunless and the founder of Spray Tan Class. Our best-selling solution, Obsidian Sunless Dark and Rapid, can be used as an 8-hour solution as well as a rapid solution. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Let's go ahead and dive in. Please note, today we're just teaching you how to use Obsidian Sunless Dark/Rapid. If you are looking to get trained and certified and learn the technique of how to spray tan, please visit spraytanclass.com to get you set up. Let's go ahead and talk about how to use Dark and Rapid Obsidian. This is the same exact solution, and you can adjust the times accordingly to create a light, medium, and dark tan. You can choose to apply 1 saturated coat or 2 light coats using approximately 1.5 ounces of solution per client. If you have your client rinse off at 2 hours, you are going to create a light tan. 4 hours is going to create a medium tan, and a 6-hour rinse off time is going to create a dark tan. You can also use Obsidian Sunless as an 8-hour or overnight solution. The way you would do this is by applying 1 light to medium coat to create a light to medium tan. You can also apply 1 saturated coat or 2 lighter coats and leave it on for 8 hours to create a dark tan. Now I know that can seem a little confusing, but I promise you once you start going and doing this consistently, you are going to realize how easy and convenient it is just to have one solution to meet all your clients' needs. This beautiful blend was created with organic and natural ingredients to create a light, medium to deep dark tan. We have carefully formulated this unique blend to dry quickly on the skin even without the addition of alcohol. Obsidian solution will leave your client's skin feeling smooth and soft immediately upon application and even after their first initial shower. We created Obsidian Sunless with the highest quality ingredients to include hydrating moisturizers, botanical extracts, and oil, vitamins, and antioxidants to hydrate and nourish the skin. Not only does Obsidian Sunless have natural and organic ingredients, it is also paraben-free, formaldehyde-free, cruelty-free, and vegan. With proper skin preparation and application, we guarantee that Obsidian Sunless Dark will give your clients the long-lasting, even fading, high-quality experience that they have been looking for. This is a good example of what your clients should look like after 1 medium coat of Obsidian Sunless Dark. Now I will demonstrate how to apply 2 coats of Obsidian Sunless and what that should look like for your client once you are done. If you are applying 1 saturated coat or 2 coats, this is the max color you want it to look like. You should see a heavy sheen upon application, which should be dry towards the end of the session. Keep in mind that what you're seeing immediately upon application is just the bronzer. When your client washes off, the bronzer is going to come off. Depending on when she showers, end result will be a light, medium, or dark tan, as we discussed earlier. Obsidian Sunless was created with the intention that the bronzer will match what the color will develop into after 8-hour rinse time. Meaning that if you spray tan your client with the expectation of her rinsing off at 8 hours or more, you can have her look in the mirror before applying another coat, or just to show her what she's going to look like when the tan is completely developed after 24 hours upon application. It is recommended that you charge an additional $5 to $10 more for this solution, as it is considered a luxury solution. Here's a customer service tip for you. I highly recommend that you keep notes as far as what solution you used, how many coats you did, what time you recommended that they rinsed off, and what type of tan they were trying to achieve. Make sure you let your clients know that you're doing this so that way next time they come in, you can create the same experience, or you can create a lighter or darker version of what you initially did. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us on Instagram at SprayTanClass. If you're ready to bring on Obsidian Sunless to your business, go ahead and head on over to obsidiansunless.com.